Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up fingerprint on Galaxy A15 device. First of all guys, just go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of lock screen here. Just click on lock screen. After that, click to screen lock type and then enable fingerprint option. So for fingerprint, just click continue and then click next. But first of all, we have to enter the password or we have to set the password. So I am selecting pin password and I'm just entering the password here. Click next and then click on use anyway. After that, again re-enter the password to verify and then click OK. Okay, now after that we have to place the finger on the sensor. That's it. Now click to done and then again click to done. Now let's see. So that's how we can add a fingerprint or we can set a fingerprint in Galaxy A15 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.